Hello, Ryan. Hello, Jeanette. My name is Sergio with Kansas City Business Operations. In this screencast, I'm going to show you three things that you can do today to help bring more customers to business for Ryan's Lawn Care. The first question is usually along the lines of why you should do this. Well, partner, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Sometimes the only hesitation they have hiring someone is they don't know who's the expert and who isn't. I found by giving people an easy attack plan of things that they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in those local owners stories in their hands saying, I like you, Sergio, can you please do this for me? So, if by the end of the video you liked what you heard, you can see this goes out to help your business grow and land more customers. You can shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if you simply want to take this free attack plan and try it yourself, that works for me too. Now, before you try it yourself, let me show you three things that will set your company above your local competition. And the first thing I have to go over is your content. So, in order for your business to be fully optimized through Google, you need at least 1,500 words to start your homepage. I found your site has about 500 or 380. So in comparison with your competitor, they have about 580 keywords or content or stuff with keywords. Now, it's still very beatable. This shows how rich keyword content is a powerhouse of authority for Google. Now, every month people are searching for these keywords a number of times, which you miss out on not being number one and in turn losing customers. So in case you haven't seen it yet, I'm going to pull up this tool, Ahrefs, and I'm going to show you. Now, this tool shows what your site is dense with. You have 14,300 backlinks, 434 friend domains, and 7,000 organic keywords. So going into organic keywords, you can see every single keyword that your site is listing and the highest ROI keyword that is bringing in most customers, which is Ryan, Lawn, and Tree. So you're doing pretty well for yourself. You got first position for most of these keywords that you're ranking for. It's very good. So let's go over to your competitor. And they have slightly less organic keywords and everything actually. So you're beating this guy very well. But some things you could improve on is type of keyword you're using and types of cities and niches you'd like to get into. So moving on to the next optimization section is the second most important thing I like to talk about. We call this thing the Google Map Pack or Maps. And on these results, we can see business name, address, and phone number. If it pops, there it is. So you see you got Lawn Starter, Lawn Care Services, JS Lawn Care, Promo Lawn, Lawn Care, Kansas City, Arizona, Lawn, so on, so on, so on, but you are not in here. Reason so is because either you don't have enough ratings or your citations are not doing as hot. So we go to this little tool I like to use called WhiteSpark, and inside the tool WhiteSpark you have Local Citation Finder. Now, you only have about 37 citation sources. So I stopped working on your backlinks and I definitely start working on these citations. Now, this citation is going to get you ranked higher on the Google Map Pack. You want at least double or triple the amount of your competitors so you can beat them out by a landslide. And so these citations, aka NAPs, name, address, and phone numbers, you get them through business or the Google site. Each business has one. Business name, address, phone number, aka NAPs. So getting these citations, right, you want to submit these citations word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, CityStar, so on and so on. Even Facebook has an area to where you can submit a citation. So lastly, certainly not the least, since you already know how important a backlink is, let's be real quick. But going back to organic listings, so we can see who's in first. And Lawn Starter, and let's see where you're at. I know you're up here. Ryan's Lawn Care, Ryan'sLawn.com. So you see, you're already up there. So you want to keep this position. This is where you need to be. So to be there, you need to be at the competition in every aspect. So it's link juice, simply put, it works like this. Site A is pointing to site B, therefore site B or site A is acting at link juice, which gives site B more authority in Google's eyes. Almost like popularity contest. And it seems that you are winning this popularity contest. But there is more to it than just that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative science linking back at you. So for example, if you had Lawn Starter linking back to you, it'd be a lot more effective than like a pizza linking back to you. Because you don't sling pizza for a living. So doing so, more relative sites could keep you on the top. So if someone else came up with higher DRs, more relevant sites than you do, they could potentially pass you. So I'll pull up Ahrefs again. And if you are looking to use this tool, I pay about $100 a month. And it's great for checking out any link to any sites we have to offer. So going into your 14,000 backlinks, which should be very happy about that. You can see every single backlink that you have, everyone that is coming from, everywhere that it's going to. So the nifty thing about this tool is you can do the same thing for any of your competitors. You go to their backlink profile and take every single one and make them your own. Now you might already know how to do this since your backlinks are pretty high up there. So you can see this guy has a little bit of link juice. Take every single one. Yep. So we're getting towards the end. The three things that we talked about today: content, want at least 1,500 words for the keywords for your homepage. And if you want to start ranking your service pages, since you're already up there, you want at least 1,000 to 1,500 on each of these service pages as well. And you want to start linking these service pages or your keywords to these service pages. So you can start ranking those in the first place on Google, taking competitors out. And your citations. Now, this is the biggest thing I think you should start working on. You need more citations, at least 100, 200 of these, so you start getting these front pages of Google on the Google Maps. And lastly, certainly not the least, as you know, link juice. You need more relevant sites pointing you guys to show Google your authority. So if you keep implementing these strategies, you can stay number one across Google. And yeah, I bet you're wondering what now. Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do something around. I'm totally cool with that. You seem to be doing pretty well already. But if you like the most effective route, want to save yourself time, give me a call at 816-654-5822. I have a few ideas I'd like to share with you on how you can keep improving your website. So once again, my name is Sergio, and my number is 816-654-5822. I really look forward to hearing from you, and you have a good one.